Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover the installation and project creation for our Laravel 13 e-commerce project. For Laravel 13, PHP version 8.3 or higher is required. So first of all, let's install the PHP. For PHP, we will use the WampServer. For getting the WampServer, just go to the Google and search here WampServer. Now just click on this first link. WampServer is a stack that allows we to turn our Windows computer into a web development environment. WampServer comes with PHP different versions. It contains PHP 8.0, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4 and 8.5 version. It also comes with MySQL 8.4 version, MariaDB 11.4 and Apache 2.4 version. Okay, so now just click on this link, WampServer 64-bit setup. So just click on this link. It's downloading. For WampServer, there is one more dependency which is Visual C++. Okay, so for that, on this page, just scroll and from the bottom, let's download the Visual C++ package. Okay, so just click on this link, all-in-one setup for the Visual C++ runtime. So just click on this link. Okay, now click on download. Click on any link. This is a server link. Okay, so just click on this one. Okay, now it's downloading. I have already downloaded, so I'm just going to cancel this and open the download folder. And here is the WampServer setup and Visual C++ runtime. Okay, so just unzip this, and after unzip, you can see here these are the setup. So first of all, let's install these two setup. So just install this. So double click, I agree, click on install, click on yes. Installation complete. Now let's install this one. Okay, setup successful. Visual C++ are installed. Now go back and let's install the WampServer. So just double click, click on yes, select the language which is English. Okay, accept the agreement. Now just click on next, next, and here is the location where WampServer are installed. C drive, WAMP 64 folder. Okay, now just click on next. Okay, do you want to choose another browser to install on your system? No. And choose another text editor. First no. Alright, now just click on next, and here installation is complete, so just click on finish. Now let's configure the environment variable. So for that, go to the C drive and let's open the WAMP 64 folder, then bin PHP, and you can see here the PHP all version from 8.0 to 8.5. Okay, now let's use 8.5. So just open this folder and copy the path, and now press Windows key and search here environment, this one. Now just click on environment variables, and now double click on path, and here just set the new path, so click on new and paste here. Okay, now okay. Now one more application we need to install, which is Composer. Composer is a PHP dependency manager, so let's install it. For getting the Composer, just go to the Google again and search here Composer. Okay, now just click on this download link, and from here you can download the Composer setup. Okay, I have already downloaded, so just run the setup, this one, install for all user, click on yes, next, okay. Here is one issue, which is PHP Xdebug. Okay, so first of all let's resolve this issue. So for that, go to the Google again and search here Xdebug download. Okay, now just open this first link, and from this page, from this latest release section, just download the Windows library, which is this one, PHP 8.5 TS VS 17 64-bit. Okay, so just click and download this DLL. Let's open the folder and copy this DLL and go to the WAMP64 folder. So C drive, WAMP64, and then bin PHP 8.5, and let's open this one, gent.ext, and now paste here the DLL file. Okay, now just rename this and copy the file name with extension. Okay, and now go back to the PHP 8.5.0 folder, and from here let's open the php.ini file. Okay, so right click and open with Notepad, and inside this file just find here the gent_ext. okay, and you can see here, just remove this DLL file and paste here the new DLL file name, and now save this. Okay, and close this. Now go back to the Composer setup, back, and now just click on next, and this time it's working. So now just click on next, install. Next, now Composer has been installed, so just click on finish. Now we are ready to create the Laravel 13 project. So go to the folder where we want to create the Laravel project. So just I'm going to my project folder inside, which is inside the C drive. Now let's here open the command prompt. So inside the address bar, just write here cmd and hit enter. And before creating the Laravel project, let's check the PHP version. Okay, so right here PHP -v, hit enter, and you can see here PHP 8.5 version. Now let's check the Composer. So right here the Composer, hit enter, and you can see here the Composer version. Okay, now let's create the Laravel 13 project. So first of all, let's clear the screen, and for creating the Laravel 13 project, execute the Composer command, which is Composer space create dash project space Laravel Laravel colon and put here the version. First add here the caret sign and then version 13.0. okay, a space project name which is Laravel 13 e-commerce. Okay, now hit enter. Now it's creating the project. Project has been created. Now switch to the project directory. So just write here cd. First clear the screen. So cls. Now switch to the project directory. So write here the cd and project directory name which is Laravel 13 e-commerce. Hit enter. Now for running the application, just execute the command php artisan serve. Alright, now it's running on localhost 8000 port. So go to the browser and just go to the URL localhost 8000 port, and here you can see the Laravel 13 project. Now let's install the authentication package for our e-commerce project. Here for authentication we are using Laravel Breeze package. For installing the Laravel Breeze package we must have the NodeJS. So before installing the Laravel Breeze package, let's install the NodeJS. So go to the Google and first search here NodeJS and let's download. And from download section, just click on this link, Windows installer, and it's downloading. Okay, I have already downloaded, so just skip, go to the folder and let's run the setup. Next, accept, next, next. Okay, install. Click on yes. Finish. Okay, Node.js is installed. Now let's install the Breeze package. So go back to the command prompt and first of all just stop the running application. So press Ctrl+C. Now close the command prompt and go to the project directory, and here let's open again command prompt. So write here cmd, hit enter. For installing the Laravel Breeze package, let's execute the composer command, which is composer a space require a space Laravel / Breeze. Okay, now hit enter. Now let's generate the scaffolding for the authentication. So run the command php artisan breeze colon install and just pass here the bleed. Okay, this command will generate all the views related to the authentication, like login page, registration page, forget password page. Okay, these all pages. So just hit enter. Okay, bridge scaffolding installed successfully. Now let's compile the assets, CSS and JS file. For that just execute the command npm install and npm run build. Okay, now hit enter. Now let's run the application. So write here php artisan serve. Now hit enter. Now go to the browser and here just refresh the page. This time you can see here there is no any login and register link here. Now just refresh the page and you can see here the login and register link. This is the login page, and here is the forget page, and go back, and if I click on register link, this is the register page. This video covers the installation and project creation for our Laravel E-Commerce project. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.